In this video, we are going to take a look at multiplying polynomials. And the big idea with multiplying polynomials is that you need to use the distributive property. So I'm going to take this 2x cubed and I'm going to multiply it by this whole grouping, this whole x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. So I need to make sure that I multiply 2x cubed times x cubed. I need to make sure that I multiply 2x cubed times 3x squared. And I need to take 2x cubed times negative 2x. And I need to take 2x cubed times positive 5. All right, so let's work this out step by step. So 2x cubed times x cubed. Well, with this, you have to remember your properties of exponents. If I'm taking x cubed times x cubed, I'm going to add these exponents. That's going to be x to the 6th. And with my numbers, this is really 2x cubed times 1x cubed. So this is just going to give me 2x to the 6th power. And just to review, the reason I'm adding these exponents is because this x cubed is x times x times x, and this x cubed is x times x times x. In total, that's 6 x's multiplied together, or x to the 6th power. 2x cubed times 3x squared. Well, multiply your numbers. 2 times 3 is 6. I'm going to say plus 6. And x cubed times x squared. Once again, adding those exponents up, I'm going to get 6x to the 5th. 2x cubed times negative 2x. So be careful with the signs here. This is a positive times a negative. So this is going to be minus, and the 2 times 2 is 4. Adding the exponents up, x cubed times x, that's going to be a total of 4x's multiplied together. So that's going to be minus 4x to the 4th. And 2x cubed times positive 5 is 10x cubed. 2 times 5 is 10. There's no other x's in there. And we're done. Before I move on, I just want to show you something that's going to be helpful as we work towards or work through this section, because the problems get a little bit more difficult. And I have a neat little trick to show you. So let's put 2x cubed out here, and this should look familiar from your pre-algebra days. And this polynomial right here, I'm going to put up along here. And my rectangle is a little crooked here, but bear with me. So this is negative 2x and positive 5. Okay. So I'm just going to split this thing up. And when I do 2x cubed times x cubed, 2x to the 6th. 2x cubed times 3x squared, that's my 6x to the 5th. 2x cubed times negative 2x would be negative 4x to the 4th. And 2x cubed times positive 5 is 10x to the 3rd. So the idea here is that you're kind of viewing this as a rectangular area model. You're looking at the width of this rectangle as 2x cubed, and you're looking at the length of this rectangle as x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. And the idea is that you're going to find these little rectangular areas and add them all together to get your final answer. This idea is going to be very helpful as we move forward with this section and as the problems get a little more difficult.